So these are engine guards from Suzuki directly, and they're an exact fit to the bike. So we'll take these out and take a look at them. Well, we got the engine guards on. The reason I put those on before anything else is because we're going to need to hook some lights up. I got lights that are going to be fitted onto the engine guard themselves, and it's not going to be in our way as far as the exhaust system. So there's the guards on there, and these are the lights. These are the lights that I got. These will go so they'll fit on there just like that. Give you a little bit of close-up visibility and just a little bit extra light. All right, let's get these grips and mirrors put on. Make it look a little bit different. Grips I got for this bike I got from Kuryaken, the kinetic black grips. Pull one out here. So this is sort of what they look like. It's metal through here, and then the rubber grips, and it gives it a little bit more something to grab a hold of. Okay, so putting these grips on. These do have a certain direction, so you want to put your throttle grip on as well. Also, if you buy these grips, there's a spacer inside of here for different style, different length handlebars, so we don't need the spacer for this bike. Just going to slide it on there. Throttle open cable first. So we need a little bit of help to get the throttle closed cable on. So there's what it looks like with the new grip, and it's oriented a certain way, so when your hand goes on there, so we got to make sure that we put the brake side grip on so they match up. Smooth action. Oriented grip in comparison to the throttle grip, and what I like to do is I like to just put a little bead right across the top towards the front, because when you slide the grip back, it'll slide the grip fluid back as well, and then put a little bead around the inside. Should be enough. Just slide it straight back, make sure everything's oriented, and you're good to go. So these mirrors I found online, not absolutely positive that I like them yet. We're going to put them on, see how they look. And whoever wins the bike, I'll include the stock mirrors as well, just in case you don't like them as well. So let's turn them in. That's about where I want to be. Usually I like my mirrors to, like this part here, to line up with the lever here. That way you have more adjustability in the mirror section. Tighten that down. Then we'll have to come back and tighten this for now. About where that one will be. Again, lining this and this up. Take it down. There. See if they look even.